Hello guys, welcome back to my another inspiring story about Dr. Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam born on October 15, 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, India. Abdul Kalam's early life was marked by poverty and hardship. His father, Zainul Abidin, was a boat owner who struggled to make ends meet, while his mother, Aishamma, was a homemaker. Dr. Abdul Kalam, India's 11th president, was born in poor fishing village in Tamil Nadu. Early struggles and education. Young Abdul Kalam sold newspaper to support his family. Despite financial struggles, he dreamed of education and innovation. With determination, Kalam completed his schooling despite poverty, studied physics and aerospace engineering, joined the Indian Space Research Organization, developed India's first satellite launch, became India's missile man and president. The turning point. In 1954, Kalam graduated from Madras Institute of Technology with a degree in aeronautic engineering. He joined the Defense Research and Development Organization in 1958. The Missile Man. Kalam's work on India's first satellite launch vehicle SLV-3 and the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV earned him the nickname Missile Man. His contribution to the India space program helped launch numerous satellites and missiles. In 2002, Kalam became India's 11th president, serving until 2007. He advocated for education and innovation, empowering rural India. Lessons from Dr. Abdul Kalam's life. Dream big no matter your circumstances. Hard work and determination overcome obstacles. 3. Education empowers. 4. Innovation can transform nations. Some notable quotes by Dr. Abdul Kalam. Dreams are not what you see in sleep. Dreams are something which do not let you sleep. Excellence is a continuous journey, not a destination. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.